The aim of this project is to collect data from many sources like Service Summit, Zero accounting software, and then create reports and dashboard in Wink report. So the data has to come from the following service. First one is Service Summit. This is job management software, and then Zero, that is an accounting software, and then Facebook ad account and Google ad analytics data. So this following data has to come to this Wink report. So for achieving this, I have used connectors available in Wink report like Google Ads connector, Facebook, Google Analytics connector, Service Summit connector, Zero connector. So these connectors are fetching the data from the web sources and storing into this Wink report account. So like Service Summit connector is fetching the following data like invoice status, job map, job success rate from the Service Summit website, and this Zero connector is fetching the following data from the Zero software like client overview, client sales by period, invoices by client, etc. Now I have made a number of folders given I have to make a number of dashboard. So I'm taking the reports from connectors from different connectors and joining them as left join, right join, and union intersection, and making reports, useful reports based on the client requirement, and storing these report in their respective folders, that means dashboard. Now I'm adding all these reports and visualization to the newly created dashboard in Wink report. So let's move over to the dashboard. So this is leads and recent dashboard. This includes total website traffic this month, average website traffic, and number of conversion, and some line chart like link clicks and conversion by month, marketing spend, and cost per acquisition, etc. And there is some filters like date range, date grouping for this line chart and bar chart, and job status. So according to this filter, this whole dashboard will be filtered out. Now let's move over to the other dashboard that I have created. So this is Service Summit dashboard. So like work orders by period, profit per employee, job map, like the specific work is coming from which location, and then work orders in quantity and value, job schedule, quantity by quantity and value, etc. Again, there is these many of filters. So according to this filter, the whole dashboard will be filtered out. Hi, this is Firoz Mohammed from Blackcoffer. I work as an intern here. It has been a great experience working. I have got the opportunity to work on various projects across the globe, and also interacting with the global clients. My learning curve has been smooth and increasing since I joined this company. I have learned many new tools and technologies. Apart from this, I have also gained a sense of professionalism and a clear view of what it means to be in the professional world. Overall, I would say learning by doing has been my key point while working as an intern here.